Good morning, everyone. We are heading off to Florida today. Now, as you would have seen on the previous video, Cuddles is not quite running right. So we've got a couple of ideas. We think it's going lean. So we're gonna go and have a look. We're gonna check it out. We're gonna fix it. And then we're gonna skid, or Cameron's gonna skid Cuddles at the Freedom Factory, which I'm super excited about. I'm gonna be there on the mic along with Cletus. Cameron's gonna be skidding my car. And I'm actually, I am genuinely really excited for that. I get to see it from outside the car and I trust him with it 100%. I'm just so happy that we can get him in the driver's seat for a skid at the Freedom Factory. We're about halfway there. I just pulled over because I thought this thing seems to be using a lot of fuel. So I'm just gonna have a look under it. Nothing there. No, I think it might just be the fact that we're hauling some serious load. Day 2 on the way to the Freedom Factory. We stopped last night about 2 hours out, and I'm gonna go and check the oil in the bounder now because we just had it replaced. We've driven for what, how long? Is it like 2 days?
Yeah, pretty much 2 days.
Driven for 2 days, and like I said, when we got to When we got to Archie's, he organised to have the oil changed, and like 4 litres come out of it, and they have like a 12 or 13 litre sump. So I really want to have a look and see how much it's used in that 2 days. Shit. Oh, that's pretty good. We're up near the full line.
Yeah, that is good.
So it has used a bit. I think when we first started, it was bang on the fuel line. It was bang on the full line. Yeah, I'm leaving that. I ain't putting no more in. That's all it gets.
That'll see us out the rest of the trip.
It's on the dipstick. That's all we need. Where would you rather be?
A
couple of places come to mind.
Yeah, home's nice. I'm a bit homesick at this point, but I'm having a good time.
Well, we've got a couple more days and then we'll be home. We'll be home for good. No. Home for 6 months anyway.
Yeah.
We made it to our destination. Firstly, apologies for my voice. I'm trying to save it for tomorrow. I'm a little under the weather and I don't want to lose my voice because I've got to speak tomorrow. But we're here, we've got the bounder parked here. Jack's already unloaded. We're here with a bloke named Ralph, and he's given us the use of his shop today, helping us out. Ralph, thank you very much, brother. Ralph's been in the game for, what, how many years would you say?
Huh?
How many years would you say you've been into
racing?
Yeah, racing and cars and that sort of thing.
Since the 60s.
Wow, there you go.
Back in the 60s, I rode on the hood above the engine, my brother driving, adjusting the distributor. Get where it needed to be.
So we're here. Jack's tub is a little bit loose, broken some welds and whatnot in the back. So he's going to be fixing that stuff up. And like I said, for mine, we've got potentially a fuel delivery issue, or maybe we've got a vacuum leak or something like that we need to investigate. So I'm going to take the car out and see what we can see. That idle is good. Where did you say you saw that dribble, Jack? It was back here, eh?
Yeah.
What, seeping through your base gasket?
I think so, yeah. And we got the Nitrous Express.
Is that part of your reliability package? Put a bottle on it? Yeah, a fuel pressure tester or something? Or?
Apparently, yeah.
Dude, Ralph's got all the stuff.
Oh, he's got all the gear.
Years and years.
And all the idea too, which is fantastic for me because I've got one, but don't have the other. I've never even seen one of these.
We can do something with this. You run a restrictor here.
Yeah.
But I got a system with, it's like when you run 2 carburetors or a big system, you actually put that system on it with jets.
Yeah, okay.
It, and then you run this here, and then you can run see what the pressure is with it flowing the fuel at it.
Okay. That's going to be key to figuring out whether or not it's starving the bowls, it's draining the bowls under load. Just keep in mind it's only doing it under load. Or we might just need to clean the carburetors out. That could be it.
Could be.
We might just need to rip the bowls off, brother.
Will these carburetors handle? You know?
So I've got it set roughly at about 10 pound.
10 pounds.
And the bowls do creep a
Does
bit.
it creep a little bit?
Yeah, at idle.
Yeah.
Oh, when the car's off, it'll, especially this one, it'll creep.
Overflow.
Yeah, but I keep it that high just so that when you're into it, it's
Okay.
All right, fire in the hole. So we might have a restriction somewhere. I'm actually quite hopeful that that's what it is. And we just clean the filter out.
See what it looks like and blow it out.
See what we can see. We just drained all the fuel out, so it should be good. There's a bit of stuff in there.
Yeah.
Because it's such a fine screen, it covers enough area. Let me take it and blow it out.
Might have found a small issue. These bolts were not tight. They weren't loose, but they will very easily come undone. The gasket looks in good condition, so I'm just going to tighten these up properly. And then the only other gasket I'm sus on is these. I was going to see if you actually had any of these I could buy off you. Just, I think swapping these out would be probably a good idea. The sealant on this gasket. So we'll stick that on there like that. And we got a bit of sealant on the top side there. The way that gasket seals is a little bit how you going, like this mesh, sort of, the mesh kind of, it's a bit iffy. So a bit of that sealant on there and then we can fully eliminate it. Something else I've just noticed is that it's probably not ideal. There's lots of little things. It could all be adding up to the problem we're having. We'll fire it up and do a load test soon. sort of like it's just, you get on it, it's reaching like a rev limiter. So yeah, I don't know, but we'll put some plugs in it. Hopefully it comes good. Heading to Advanced Auto Parts now to grab some plugs, and then we're heading to the Freedom Factory. We've got Le Mullets tonight, and then tomorrow we've got Burnout Rivals. Obviously, for those of you who don't know, I am going to be helping run the show on the mic, emceeing along with Cletus. That's what I was saying about my voice. I'm really excited about it, and I want to do the best job that I possibly can and be professional. So yeah, that's the plan. All right, we are coming up to the Freedom Factory, and I'm very excited. One thing I've noticed is they've got a whole heap of houses being built, like all around here, which which seems odd. Yes. Oh, look at the helmet. Oh my god, that's unreal. The legit Freedom Factory, I'm finally here. This is unreal. This is next level. So it looks like I've missed the turn off to get to where I need to be. So now we got this guy here escorting us around, moving all the bins and stuff, because we are in like the proper thick of it here. I'm confident we can turn it. Yeah, you're right, bro. I gotcha. Hey, we made it. Man, you like dead set, you can't wipe the smile off my face. We've got a fresh set of spark plugs down here, got 10 of them. So we'll chuck those in the car and hopefully it clears up, because if it doesn't, we got bigger problems. But anyway, speaking of shirts, I'm about to change my shirt into one of these, right? You can get them www.cuddlesburnouts.com. Use the code Cuddles10 for 10% off, all right? Because you've stayed this far in the video. You guys deserve it. It's free shipping on orders over $100. So there's plenty of stuff on there. Hoodies, hats, stubby coolers, stickers, signed posters, all of that. The shirts are printed on the best shirts that we can get, AS color shirts, and they fit really well. Go and grab yourself some merch if you haven't already, because it really helps me out and I really appreciate it. If you like this sort of stuff, consider subscribing to the channel, because that would also really help me out. And if you like today's video, hit the like button. Thanks so much, guys, and we will see you tomorrow for Burnout Rivals. I'll be on the mic. Oh, I'm like nervous and excited, and just good things are happening in my life, and I'm so grateful to all of you for watching and coming along on the journey with me. It's been a crazy wild ride, and we're just going to keep going. So I'm very excited for that. Love you guys, and we'll see you on the next one.